If you're running an e-commerce business, you've probably faced this common issue. Customers reach the checkout page, fill in their details, but leave without completing the payment. These users are actually the closest to conversion. If you can bring them back at the right moment, you can directly boost your sales. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use YCloud Journey to automatically recover abandoned Shopify checkouts and drive users back to complete their purchase. The core goal of this journey is to target users who have entered the checkout process but didn't complete the payment. By automatically sending them a message with a payment link, you can invite them back to finish their order. Compared to traditional email reminders, this method typically achieves higher open and conversion rates. Before creating the journey, you'll need to prepare a message template. Go to the template page in YCloud and create a new utility template. Write a simple reminder message. Then in the button section, choose Call to Action. Select Visit Website and set it as a Shopify link. Once saved, this template will serve as the payment entry point in your journey. Next, go to the Journey page and create a new journey. You can directly use the built-in Shopify Checkout Abandon template and click Apply. In the trigger settings, you'll see that Shopify Checkout Created is already selected by default, meaning the journey is triggered when a checkout is created but not completed. Select your WhatsApp number as the sender. For audience, no extra filtering is usually needed, but it's recommended to exclude unsubscribed users. For trigger rules, we recommend setting it so that users enter the journey every time they meet the conditions. The exit rule is already configured by default. Once the user completes the payment, they will exit the journey automatically. In this use case, there's no need to set additional goals. Once everything is set, click Save. Next, set a wait time, which determines how long you allow the user to complete the purchase on their own. For example, you can set it to 30 minutes or 1 hour. After the wait, connect to a message node and select the template you created earlier with the Shopify payment link. Map the variables accordingly, then save the journey. Alternatively, there's a faster way to set this up. Go to the Integrations page and open the Shopify integration. You'll find several pre-built journeys there, including Checkout Abandon. Simply edit the template, configure the parameters, and activate it. You can also check the Logs page to monitor trigger history and performance results. Overall, YCloud Journey helps you bring high-intent users back into the payment flow and improve conversion rates in an automated way. If you're running a Shopify store, this is definitely worth trying. If you'd like to learn more about using WhatsApp and e-commerce, don't forget to like and leave a comment. We'll cover more in the next video.